Hi, I'm Lynne Austin, and welcome to the Hooters movie. If you're watching the movie, then chances are you aren't at the Hooters 500 in Atlanta, are you? Well, you're missing a great time, but not to worry, because I'm going to run over exactly what you're missing. You're missing cars, folks. That's right. You're missing cars going fast, cars turning, cars crashing, yep, even cars going to the pits. I'll never understand why they do that. You're missing cars passing each other, and cars running into each other, and cars kissing each other. Only they aren't that nice about it. The only thing that could make the day more perfect is if they were to see a movie about cars. Now, wouldn't it? Oh, well, chances are there'll be one or two cars in it, so don't feel bad. You're not missing much. Just the race of the century. But then you always got me until the race starts, that is.